Provide users with access to virtual classrooms or video assignments by Bongo by customizing your Navbar. This tutorial shows how to add virtual classroom by Bongo or video assignments by Bongo to your Navbar. For instructors to access virtual classrooms and video assignments, you must add the tools to the Navbar. To begin, click Admin Tools, navigate to, and select Navigation and Themes. Click the navbar that you want to add the link to. Click Add Links. Search for the navbar link you created in the Remote Plugin setup. Select the option you want to add. Then, click Add. When you are ready, click Save and Close to modify the navbar. Lastly, Bongo uses the roles and IMS role mappings from Brightspace Learning Environment to determine which users are instructors and learners. To sync roles for IMS mapping, contact Bongo to open a support ticket. Within the ticket, please provide the institution, the custom roles, and how they should be mapped. For example, student, educator, or content developer. Now that you have added virtual classrooms or video assignments by Bongo to your Navbar, users can access virtual classroom sessions or create video assignments and remote presentations. Provide users with access to virtual classrooms or video assignments by Bongo by customizing your Navbar.